Welcome back, Melissa here. This is the BGA 100. Pretty powerful, I like it. BGA, I'm guessing stands for Big Guy Attitude, I don't know. But this time of year, there's a lot of pollen, little flyers coming off the trees from everything blooming, and it's in the air. Poor people with allergies. Our son Levi has them, I get it. It's tough, but thankfully I'm doing okay, and it's great to get out here and blow all this off in just a couple minutes. Okay, as you noticed, it's battery powered. It's very convenient. Just slip it on your belt. Maybe you need a bigger belt. But it's lightweight, very powerful. It's perfect for what I need it for on a day-to-day use. And I'm going to show you something else I'm going to use it for as soon as I wash the Jeep. Okay, you may have seen it before. This is our 2017 Jeep JKU. I drive it mostly. Mike has a truck. So we have a 3.5-inch JKS lift with the 35-inch Mickey Thompson tires. And we've had to replace them once already. So I run the wheels off it. That expression's true. I do. I run the wheels off it. It's a 6-speed manual transmission, and it has served me well. I like it. It's fun to drive. People ask about it when they see it. Hey, where'd you get it? Is there a lift? Did you have to put the lift on? Those sorts of things. We did. And we went to Meridian Off-Road. Really like that Rob. And would highly recommend him to anyone looking to do a lift for their Jeep or their truck. Okay, speaking of Jeeps, I just want to remind you of the 2019 Bantam Jeep Festival in Butler, Pennsylvania. We're going to be there Friday, June 7th. Check out their website if you want to bring your Jeep, or if you just want to come up and check out all the thousands of Jeeps and meet us. Plan on that, put it on your calendar now. That's Friday, June 7th at the Bantam Jeep Festival. It's called the Jeep Invasion. Okay. cream on a stick while you're moving.
Tell them about your fast thing that you do.
It's been about 10 days. I've been doing, it's called intermittent fasting. You fast and you eat for 2, 4, 6 hours of eating, but then you fast for like the rest of it. I've been fasting and then eating from 5, well, I guess today it's been, yeah, 5 to 6.
So you eat only once a day from 5 to 6? And
Yeah, but at the wedding reception we went to, that was different. Like they didn't serve dinner. And then after Eva's orchestra concert, I didn't eat dinner till 9 o'clock. So, but I lost 7, 8 pounds. 8 pounds today.
Wow.
It's not something I'm going to do all the time. Just trying it out, and it's working good. Look, see? Okay, these blowers are great for drying off the Jeep.
That works really well, doesn't it?
It does. I'm impressed.
You don't have to get a towel and touch it and scratch it or anything like that. It works really good and quick.
Without the pull start, Hunter might figure this one out.
Yeah. Yeah.
He likes the leaf blowers. Okay, oh look at this. I got the Jeep dried and my ice cream didn't even melt. How about that?
Hunter, want to come say hi? Say hi to everybody. Hunter's a little camera shy.
No. Hunter loves all the attention. All right.
So we got about another half hour before it gets dark. I might go get some logs out of the woods or something while it's dry. It's supposed to be nice tonight, tomorrow, but then I think rain again.
Good.
Wanted to give you another look at this before I head out in the woods. It's the Stihl BGA 100. They say this is comparable to like the BR 450 backpack blower. It's got a ton of power, moves a lot of air in a hurry. You know, it's not going to do the same thing as like a BR 700 or a BR 800, but I'm telling you, just a little bit we ran it tonight, it's very impressive. This is not mine, it's a loaner from Stihl. I just wanted to try it out. I'm starting to become kind of fond of these battery-powered equipment. I was never felt that way before. I would never consider anything battery-powered for anything lawn and garden, but after I ran the HTA 85 pole saw, battery-powered chainsaw, and this, I'm a believer now. I really am. Especially like if you live in a neighborhood or something, and you're out there at 7 o'clock in the morning, you're not waking up the whole neighborhood or anything like that. It's nice and quiet. Works really, really well. But anyway, you'll see more of this. I'd like to see how long it would last on a charge, a full charge with this big battery right here. Maybe we'll try that in an upcoming video. But anyway, before it gets dark, I'm going to head out in the woods and maybe bring some logs in or something. So that first trip I just brought up these two cherries, this one, and that one red oak. I'm going to head back down and make a couple more trips here yet tonight. But if you notice, when I was pulling those logs out of the pile, when you go into the pile with a grapple and you just try going like this, you're pulling other logs down on top of you. So what I like to do is just use those big teeth on the bottom of it, kind of use it as a set of forks, pull one out, then grab a hold of it. It works a lot better and you don't kind of move the whole pile all over the place. But yeah, it works out really good. I was just reading some of the comments from the last video. If you didn't see that one, I'll put it up above. I was just using the RK24 doing some cleanup work around the house. But I asked in that video for everybody to comment, let me know, what they do for a living or if they're retired, what they did do. Really fascinating group of people that watch this channel. We really appreciate all the interaction, and it's just nice to hear from everyone. But anyway, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.